Another failure to feed. Hey, good morning. You know, I love a good 22 pistol. Been shooting 22 pistols since I was, I don't know, a young teenager. But anyways, Taurus TX22. I picked one up a couple weeks ago. Just read a lot of good things about this. In fact, it won the Guns and Ammo Handgun of the Year back in 2019. So I picked one up. I came out here last week. I started my video. And it started out shooting okay, but then I started having some feeding problems with it. And I'll show you some of that video here in a couple of minutes. But right now, we're going to take a look at the pistol. I'll show you the holster I'm using. I'll show you that video I had where I was having some problems. And then I'm back out here today to shoot the pistol, see if I fixed the problems that this was having. And they were actually magazine related problems, so hopefully I've got it fixed. But let's take a quick look at the pistol. Taurus TX22. Like I said, made right here in the USA in Bainbridge, Georgia. Pistol weighs just over 17 ounces, polymer frame, striker fired, aluminum slide. It does have an adjustable rear sight. I like the 3 dots. My old eyes can really see those dots pretty good. This one does have an external safety on it. You can also get it without the safety. Ergonomics, man, just perfect on this pistol. Full-size grip, fits my big fat hand. Really like the feel of this. And it comes with 2 16-round magazines. Very easy to take apart and clean. The barrel is threaded. You can pull this cap off and you can put a thread adapter on it if you want to put a suppressor on this. Now every time I do a pistol video, somebody says, hey, what's that holster you're using? So let's take a quick look at my holster. Alright, I was using this holster last week, really like it. This is made by Forged Tec Holsters in Michigan. You know, just a simple holster, nothing fancy. But I'll tell you what, I looked at a lot of holsters online before I ordered this. Liked what I seen. I like the price. I like the fact that they have free shipping. I like the fact that it has 2 adjustment screws instead of 1. And it also comes with some thread locks so you can lock these threads in. This one here has a paddle on it, which I really like. You can also get this with a tactical latch. Or you can get the kit that has the paddle and the tactical latch. Like I said, really like the holster. Pistol fits in there perfect. Snaps right in there. And really like the fit on it. They did a really good job on this. Of course, they make holsters for other pistols. They make accessories. Check them out. Forged Tec Holsters. Okay, ammunition I was shooting last week. CCI Mini Mags, 36 grain hollow points. Winchester Super X, 40 grain round nose. And I was also shooting some Winchester bulk ammo, 36 grain copper plated hollow points. So let me show you some of the video I took last week and then we'll come back and talk about it. Uh-oh. We have a failure to feed. Let's lock this slide back. Pull out the magazine. Chamber is empty. Let's try that again. Another failure to feed. Well, let's try it again. Well, let's try it again. You can see how the bullet's jamming into the side of the magazine there. That should feed like that. Nope. Nope. CCI hollow points. Uh-oh. Now that bullet keeps jamming into the front of the magazine. Now these magazines are actually marked. They're marked 1 and 2. And it seems like I've had most of my problems with magazine number 2. So let's try magazine number 1. Could be just the magazine. Let's try this magazine number 2 one more time. Yeah, look at that. So, you know what? I think I'm just going to use magazine number 1 for the rest of this test. Because this one just, I'm going to take this home and clean it. See if I can work on that a little bit. But yeah, that sucks. Okay, so I ended up going home. And again, this was a brand new pistol. So a lot of times when you have a new pistol, yeah, you got to put some rounds in to break it in. And hopefully that's all it needed. But anyways, I took the pistol home, took it apart, and I cleaned it. But more important, I took the magazines apart and I cleaned them. So what I did was I disassembled them. And I used this 22 magazine brush to clean out the magazines real good. I've had this brush for years. I don't even know where I got it, but I'm sure you can probably find them online. And then I ran a cleaning cloth through the magazines. And then I reassembled my magazines, and here we are. So I'm going to start off with magazine number 2. I'm going to load 16 rounds of Winchester Super X, and let's just start shooting and see what happens. Yeah. All right, let's load this up and try it again. 16 rounds of Winchester white box. Again, magazine number 2. Well, I'm pretty happy because this is shooting really good right now. So let's just set up some targets and have a little fun. I'm going to use both magazines, my 3 different types of ammo. If I have any problems, we'll stop and take a look at it. Let me point something out to you here real quick. Let me take out this magazine. Look at the very front here, at the guide rod. You'll notice it looks like it's broken or chipped. It's not. It's supposed to look like that. The spring screws onto that guide rod, and that little notch right there allows that spring to catch that first thread to get on the guide rod. You know, last week I was pretty frustrated by this pistol, and I wouldn't have recommended it. But today, I'll tell you what, I put 150 rounds through it, not one single malfunction. So yes, I would recommend it. But if you buy one and you're having a problem with it feeding, clean the magazines like I showed you. And another thing I did, after I cleaned the magazines, I loaded them up and I let them sit overnight. Just so that the springs could set or break in. Did it help? Probably. Anyways, great little pistol, guys. Taurus TX22, made right here in the USA. Now let's talk about the holster for a second. Tell you what, absolutely love the holster, guys. Again, made by Forged Tec Holsters, made right here in Michigan. They're handmade by a guy named Paul. Don't know the guy, never met him. But you know what? Things are rough in this country right now for small businesses. If you can help them out, he would appreciate it. Great little holster, guys. So check them out. Anyway, Taurus TX22. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. Subscribe, hit the like button, check out my Patreon page if you would. But in the meantime, thanks for watching my video. Yeah.